An Indian woman who gave birth at the age of 70 said Tuesday she was not too old to become a first-time mother, adding that her life was now complete. Daljinder Kaur gave birth last month to a boy following 2 years of IVF treatment at a fertility clinic in the northern state of Haryana with her 79-year-old husband. Kaur said the couple, married for 46 years, had almost lost hope of ever having a child and had faced ridicule in a country where infertility is sometimes seen as a curse from God. God heard our prayers. My life feels complete now. I am looking after the baby all by myself, I feel so full of energy. My husband is also very caring and helps me as much as he can, Kaur told AFP from the northern city of Amritsar. When we saw the IVF advert, we thought we should also give it a try as I badly wanted to have a baby of my own, she said. Kaur put her age at about 70, a common scenario in India where many people don't have birth certificates, while the clinic said in a statement that she was 72. The baby was conceived using the couple's own egg and sperm and was now healthy and hearty after weighing just 2 kilograms, 4.4 pounds, at birth on April 19, the National Fertility and Test Tube Centre said. Kaur's husband, Mohinder Singh Gill, who owns a farm outside Amritsar, said he was unfazed about their age, saying God would watch over their child whom they named Arman. People say what will happen to the child once we die. But I have full faith in God. God is omnipotent and omnipresent, He will take care of everything, he told AFP. Anurag Bishnoi, who runs the fertility clinic, said he was initially skeptical about going ahead with in vitro fertilization, IVF, but tests showed Kaur was able to carry the unborn baby. I first tried to avoid the case because she looked very frail. Then we made her undergo all the tests and once all the results were okay we went ahead, the doctor told AFP. The case is not the first in India, with a 72-year-old woman from Uttar Pradesh state reportedly giving birth to twins in 2008, also through IVF.
Sa balay, lagis ng bahay, wala buhat sa tagan. Nag-iiga, sinasangatan, wapalupit sa kong nanay. Kanya naabot si Juan, nagdalaog, pakwan na alert ang nanay. Kaya pakwan sa makatamis, sa dalagang ipasok sa dalan. Ay pastilan, imuto na tanang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Ay pastilan, imuto na tanang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Pakwa umuuwan, samot kalapia, pakwan samot akong mataliksikan, makitan, yudali sa sakuwang pakwan, kuwang pakwan. Umuuwan, samot kalapia, pakwan samot akong mataliksikan, makitan, yudali sa sakuwang pakwan, kuwang pakwan. Yan ang istorya, bigyan ako yaw o hinanggaw. Ibig ka man, yun nga mo mga kalimutaw. Apan sa Jonathan naman ang wakyo na minaw. Kay gusto niya isang yaw ang iyang hinanggaw. Ay pastilan mo Jonathan ang umangka sa pakwan. Nalaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Ay pastilan mataliksikan Pakita yudali sa puwang apakwan Puwang apakwan Kung muuwan samot kalami apakwan Samot akong mataliksikan Pakita yudali sa puwang apakwan Puwang apakwan sa pakwan Dalawa'y pagyutiwan sa katamisa Ay pastilari mo Jonathan ang umaga sa pakwan Dalawa'y pagyutiwan sa katamisa Pakwan Kung muuwan, samot kalami ang pakwan Samot na kung matalik, sikan makitan Yudali sa puwang apakwan, puwang apakwan Kung muuwan, samot kalami ang